Hello, are you a man and you are having so many challenges with your erectile life? You find it difficult to last long whenever you want to have fun with madam? Or you find it difficult to maintain a hard and strong erection? Is it that you don't easily get ready for second round whenever you want to? Or you are so tired even when you feel like having action with madam? Is it that you find it difficult to produce quality sperm for proper pregnancy? Well, if these are all your complaints, then worry no further, because we are having a very brand new product that is making wave in the market. This is purely homemade product. It is produced from a blend of watermelon seed and other herbs, natural herbs. It has no side effect whatsoever, and it is good for erectile maintenance, for curative purpose, towards erectile problems. This is what you need. A Shoreman herbal tea. It is taken just like every other tea and works wonders below your bed. So you can give it a shot, and I will bet you will not regret ever using this product. It doesn't have any of those artificials that has its own side effect. This one is purely natural. So taking it will just give you a good taste without any sweetener nor preservative. It has 5 sachets in one pack, and each of the pack has a sachet like this. All you need to do is to empty this very sachet into a glass of water, and you can easily take it. These are the features. So for more information on how to reach us, just call 08033639999 or 08038625446. We look forward to hearing from you.